made in the UK? Look no further than our upcycled clothing shop. We offer a wide variety of one-of-a-kind pieces that are both stylish and eco-friendly. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be making this simple project. This is a headband. I already went ahead and prepared everything as I do not want this video to be very long. This is a very simple, easy 10 minutes project, or 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so I have the patterns here that I cut. This piece is for the band at the back, and this is for the two pieces at the top. And I'm gonna leave the measurements below just in case if you want to follow along and make your own headband. It's very easy, very simple. And this is the elastic here. Alright, so that's that. Now I have this band, and this band is for this elastic here, and I have my two bands here. So first I'm gonna run the elastic through my band. Alright, so once the elastic is through, to secure the elastic, I'm just going to stitch that end and bring the elastic up to this end and do the same thing. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do here, stitch that end and stitch this end. Alright, so what next is going to be my two pieces here. All I'm going to do is make sure that I have these things crossed like that. This is the seam right here. So make sure your seam is up, and for this one you make sure your seam is down. And the reason for that is because you're going to go over like this, and then you're going to go over like so. So basically you want the seams to be touching. That's all. Okay? Right? So if you have the seam up here, the next one, the seam is down. It's that simple. Alright, so we're going to go right ahead. I'm sure you get that now. Alright, so we're going to have that cross like so. And then we're going to put that across. And then you're going to bring this one this way, and that's all it takes, right? Make sure your seams are touching. Okay, and you're going to take your elastic and you're going to make sure put your elastic. If you like, you can stitch this down just to hold that, but for now I'm just gonna leave it like that. And you place your elastic down. You see where your seam is on the elastic here, and your seam is in here. You put this right onto the seam, right? And you bring that over, and you bring this over. So basically what you're gonna do is just sandwich the elastic bit between the two pieces here. Once you have that closed, we're going to stitch that over here. And also, if you want to make sure that you have it centered where the seam is, you can literally clip that on the opposite side, place it back together, take your elastic bit and place it right in the center here. You fold that over, and you fold that other side over, and you stitch that, and that's your headband.